potent winter storm continued to blanket the Sierra Nevada mountains with heavy snow on December 26, 2025, affecting popular destinations like Lake Tahoe, Mammoth Mountain, and the Donner Pass along Interstate 80. Accumulations have surpassed several feet in higher elevations since the storm's onset earlier this week, creating hazardous travel conditions, avalanche risks, and boosting early-season snowpack for ski resorts. Authorities urged caution, as additional snowfall is expected through the evening, with warnings in place across the region. In the northern Sierra Nevada's west slope, a winter storm warning remains active until 10 p.m. PST, accompanied by a flood advisory until 6 p.m. PST. Overnight into Friday, heavy snow added 10 to 15 inches at elevations above 5,500 feet, with no significant buildup lower down. Daytime forecasts predict an additional 3 to 9 inches at higher levels, tapering to 1 to 5 inches by night, amid snow levels dropping to 4,500 feet. Strong south winds gusting up to 70 miles per hour have compounded visibility issues and travel difficulties over mountain passes, where patchy freezing fog persists. Snowpack analysis from December 25th indicates 44.9% area coverage, up from 33.7% last month, with an average depth of 7.5 inches across the range. The greater Lake Tahoe area faces similar intense conditions under a winter storm warning until 10 a.m. with an avalanche warning and flood advisory also in effect. Heavy overnight snow deposited 6 to 12 inches generally, escalating to 10 to 18 inches above 7,000 feet. Friday's outlook includes 2 to 6 inches more during the morning, with 4 to 8 inches at upper elevations, before shifting to a chance of lighter snow by afternoon. Nighttime could add up to 2 inches. Temperatures hover around highs of 32 to 42 degrees Fahrenheit, with south winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour and gusts reaching 45 miles per hour, contributing to blowing snow and reduced visibility. At Heavenly Ski Resort, 18 inches fell in the 24 hours ending December 25th, building a 35-inch base and a 73-inch season total. Sierra Tahoe reported 26 inches in the same period, resulting in a 28-inch base depth. Overall, Lake Tahoe's snowpack is at 36% of normal, with an annual average snowfall of 279 inches. Southward at Mammoth Mountain, the storm has delivered exceptional totals, transforming conditions into prime powder skiing. As of December 26th, the main lodge recorded a storm accumulation of 51 inches, including 38 inches of new snow today. The 3-day total stands at 91 inches, pushing the season to 117 inches with a 36-inch base. Ongoing snow showers, potentially heavy with thunder and dense freezing fog, are forecast to add 13 to 19 inches tonight. Southwest winds of 45 to 50 miles per hour, gusting to 75 miles per hour, heighten risks. Friday's high is expected at 21 degrees Fahrenheit, with continued windy snow before clearing Saturday. Resort officials noted delayed openings due to the intensity, but the influx has exceeded early forecasts of 42 to 60 inches through December 27th. Travel disruptions are most acute along Interstate 80 over Donner Pass, where heavy snow and high winds have led to multiple incidents. As of late December 25th, the highways closed to tractor semi-trailer combinations from Applegate in Placer County to the Nevada state line due to spinouts. Chains are mandatory for all other vehicles, except qualifying four-wheel drive models with snow tires, on eastbound lanes from Nyack to Hirschdale Road in Truckee, and westbound from Truckee to Nyack. Chain controls persist amid ongoing snowfall, with reports of traffic holds and advisories to avoid non-essential trips. The California Highway Patrol emphasized planning ahead, as conditions mirror the broader Sierra storm impacts. Including potential for 4 to 6 feet of additional snow above 7,000 feet. The atmospheric river-fueled system, which intensified on Christmas Day, has shifted from zero accumulations to heroic totals in the Sierras, with moderate effects elsewhere in North America. Forecasts indicate tapering precipitation by Saturday, ushering in sunny skies and highs in the 20s to 30s Fahrenheit across affected areas. However, avalanche dangers remain elevated, and officials recommend checking real-time updates from the National Weather Service and Caltrans. This storm has provided a much-needed boost to California's water supply via enhanced snowpack, though it underscores the perils of winter travel in the mountains. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note, some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.